how you can block all the adult websites from Google Chrome in any Windows device. So first of all, log into your Chrome browser on your device and then click on the three dots on top right corner. Once you've done that, you can go on the settings. Inside settings, you have to click on privacy and security. Here you have to scroll all the way down until you find security and click on it. Inside security, you have to look for DNS provider. Now here it is, and here you have to select either clean browsing or open DNS. Both of them do the same work. I'm going to select clean browsing and then just refresh your Chrome. Now you can open a new tab, and in order to check if your DNS provider have been applied, you can go to settings and then click on privacy and security, and then inside security you can see that clean browsing have been applied to your system. And after you've completed all of the steps, all the adult websites will be blocked from your Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this was helpful.